In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic and unique Shopify coupon codes in Klaviyo. If you're looking to enhance your email marketing game on Shopify by providing personalized discounts to your customers, this tutorial is just for you. First things first, it's important to ensure that you've already connected your Shopify store to your Klaviyo account. To do this, simply navigate to the integrations section in Klaviyo, select all integrations, and then click Add Integration, following the prompts to connect your Shopify store. Now let's dive into the Shopify side of things. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the discounts section. Here you'll have the option to create a new discount. Click on Create Discount to get started. At this point, you'll need to decide what type of discount you want to offer your customers. You can choose from amount off orders, amount off products, or free shipping, whichever best suits your marketing strategy. Once you've decided on the type of discount, go ahead and configure the settings. You can set a percentage off, specify a fixed amount, or choose to offer free shipping. After configuring these settings, ensure that the discount is enabled and then save your changes. With the discount set up in Shopify, let's switch gears and head back to Klaviyo. Depending on where you want to incorporate the coupon code, click on either campaigns or flows. Decide on the email where you want to include this delightful offer. If you've not created the email yet, go ahead and do so. Within the email editor, locate the text block where you'd like to insert the coupon code. In this text block, type in the placeholder organization.unique coupon code. This is where Klaviyo will pull the unique coupon codes each time the email is sent out. To make it more engaging, you might want to customize your message to say something like, here's your exclusive discount code, organization.unique coupon code, enjoy your shopping. It's crucial to make sure that your Shopify integration supports Klaviyo's dynamic coupon feature. You can double check this by going to the integration section once more and selecting Shopify. In the coupon codes section, click on Manage Coupons and then choose Create Coupon Pool to make a pool of unique codes. Provide a name for your pool, and if necessary, you can add a prefix and adjust other relevant settings according to your preference. Don't forget to hit Save when you're done. Keep in mind that Klaviyo will pull unique codes from this pool each time the collect organization unique coupon code bank tag is used in your email campaigns or flows, offering that personal touch that can significantly enhance customer engagement and conversion rates. That's all for today's tutorial. With this setup, you're well on your way to delivering a more tailored marketing experience for your customers on Shopify through Klaviyo. Happy emailing.